Okay, let's get right into this now. This show is very unique. I don't know of any other disability attorneys, or actually, I don't know of any other attorneys that go live without any assistance from somebody feeding them the law. But the bottom line is, I, Attorney Walter Knott, super duper tired. It is 12:19 a.m. on June 10th, and I do have a hearing in the morning. We'll be going live for about 30 minutes to answer questions for free from people, but there are some basic rules that you need to know. Rule number one is that you have to have your legal question ready. You have to not ask question after question after question, no question stacking, no story mode whatsoever. You call the 407-279-1754, again, 407-279-1754 phone number. And what happens is you basically get to ask a question about Social Security disability law, the field that I practice in. And the whole thing, just to kind of summarize it, is that we will go into tactics, trial, stuff, hearing stuff, remands, initial filings, all that kinds of stuff with this call. I see the first question from the comments section. Rebel with the cause. Question: how long does it take to get a remand hearing that got sent back down from federal court? Also, what are the odds of winning? The odds of winning are all over the place because it depends on why it was remanded down. But if it comes down from federal court, it can usually take anywhere from, let's say, I would say, if it was remanded immediately to the ALJ, probably about 3 to 4 months, maybe a little longer. If it's stuck at appeals council, it could be 12 months. It could be 15 months. It could take a while. Sometimes it gets stuck at appeals council as they're being remanded back down. Sometimes appeals council has something to say that slows it down. Now, with that said, I just missed a call. I'm going to actually get this back up. Hold on. Oh, Face ID, can you see me? Hold on. Okay, let's see what we can do. We're going to try and get that person back real quick. Hold on 1 second. Let's see what we got here. And yep, this is it. Perfect right here. We're going to call this person. Now, remember, I can't give you perfect answers. I don't have your whole file in front of me, so don't expect perfect answers. With that said, we're going to call this first person real quick, get them on the phone, and we should be able to rock and roll from there. Let me know if you can hear it well on your end, okay? Hopefully you'll be able to hear it okay.
Your call has been forwarded to an...
Okay, so we didn't get that person. Let's go to the next person who called in real quick. Speakerphone is on. Let's see if we can get this person. Okie doke. Let's see what's going on. Hi, this is Attorney Walter Knott. We are live on YouTube. Remember to use a fake name throughout this process. What is your legal question? Go ahead.
I have a question about the new form SS792, I believe.
Sure.
Is that a form that you use if they send you a letter?
What do you mean?
If they're gonna cut off your benefits?
Yeah, that's the form. That's the form that basically is like the kill switch form. It's where you request to keep your benefits going or end them during the adjudication process to prove that you should be able to go ahead and keep the benefits.
Okay, that's nothing you do automatically. It's only if you get a letter that they telling you that they're going to end it.
Correct, exactly.
Okay, all right. Thank you. That's what I want to know.
Absolutely. You have a wonderful night.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Now, please remember, guys, when it comes to basically this video, this is me reaching out to the community and just answering questions. Please remember to, like the video. Please remember to also subscribe. Also, if you get a chance, please head over to Google, type in Disability Resolution Law Firm or Disability Resolution Florida, and throw some stars up there. I always super duper appreciate it. All right. With that said, we're going to wait for the next caller to call in. It is super late at night, so just keeping all that in mind. We may have another caller, we might not. I know if I did this video a lot earlier, we'd have more callers, but kind of the bottom line is I was working all day during the law firm. And then, of course, at night, while it was still light, I was working on the farm. And then, of course, we do these videos. So we're going to count it down. We're going to count it down from 10. If we get all the way to 0, then I get to go to sleep and wake up early. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, perfect. So the bottom line is that we have no additional callers. I'm going to end this video early, go to bed, because I have to wake up, do a hearing. I will catch you all a little bit later. Please remember to be kind to each other. Please remember to support those who are in the disabled community. I will catch you tomorrow. We'll do some additional videos. But for me, I have a hearing early in the morning. We'll rock and roll from there and have a wonderful night. Attorney Walter Knott, I'll catch you later. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.